Hi, I'm Tamisha from ToolboxDivas.com. Basements and crawl spaces are vulnerable to flooding. The best line of defense is a good sump pump. The Everbuilt half horsepower submersible pump is used to pump water from a basement or crawl space sump basin. The Everbuilt HDS 50 fasteners are corrosion resistant stainless steel, and the pump is protected by a powder coated epoxy finish. Available in two sizes, 1/3 horsepower and half horsepower, the Everbuilt HDS 50 is engineered to pass half-inch solids and features a Vortex non-clogging impeller, making it ideal for sump effluent and dewatering applications. This pump has a vertical lift of 26 feet and a discharge flow rate of 85 gallons per minute. The Everbuilt half horsepower submersible pump can be found at your local Home Depot or online at homedepot.com.